thanks for tuning in to yet another video. This video is not going to be too interesting for some of you guys. It's actually pretty much it's going to be a boring video, but I just want to talk about insurance on a brand new bike. This was something that I was looking into on the YouTube, on the internet, and I couldn't find any useful information. I just wanted to have an idea how much it was going to cost me to insure a financed brand new or used motorcycle. All right, now this is what I'm paying. Okay, now you guys know I'm pretty open about how much it's costing me and all this other stuff. I told you guys how much I paid for the bike, more than $21,000 out the door. Ouch, yes, a lot of money. They didn't want to give me a discount. They didn't want to negotiate. So after a couple months, that's what I took, 21 out the door. But they tricked me. They got me good. That's gonna be another video. But yeah, they got me.
What's this bullshit?
And I was really upset. I was still at the dealership and I was negotiating paperwork, and I found out they got me. So I was pretty pissed off, and I told them what's up. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about the insurance on a brand new bike or used bike. Doesn't matter, as long as it's financed, you're gonna be paying a premium. All right, so before this motorcycle, I was paying roughly 1 year $120, $110 a year for 2 bikes. That's right, that's cheap. Basic coverage, liability, it was good. I mean, I wasn't worried about theft, because I mean, my other bike, it's not really desirable. It's not really a good looking bike, honestly, and it's not even a Harley. So, and if they would have stole it, you know, boo-hoo.
Laughable, man.
It's okay. And that bike is still outside. I have it covered up. They stole my bike cover for some reason. I'm pretty sure it was the homeless. But moving on and forward onto what this video is here to inform you guys. My insurance now, that was $120 a year. My insurance now per month is $120. So it went up 10 times what I used to pay for a year. Now I'm paying $120 a month. But I'm only paying $120 a month because I'm paying it all off for a whole year. I'm not doing the payments, the 6 months, the 9 months, the 3 months. I'm not doing that type of a payment plan because I'm saving myself quite a bit of money. With Geico, that's what I'm insured. That's the insurance I'm using for my motorcycle. With Geico, I was looking at the plans and I was looking at the payment plans. I think I was looking at paying an additional $5 every 6 months or $15 every month. So if I wanted to pay my insurance monthly, I was looking at an additional $15. An extra $15. You add 15 and then you multiply that by 12. You're saving yourself a lot of money by just paying it all off. You know what I'm saying? And for the 6-month plan, if I remember right, it was an extra $5 every 6 months or something. I'm close. I can't remember the numbers. I need the paperwork. I couldn't find the paperwork, and I went through the app and I couldn't figure that out. And it's costing me $1,447 a year. So, and that hurts, taking a hit like that. Now, if you're unable, if you can't pay it all off, then I guess your only option would be breaking it in payments, and you'd be paying a little bit extra. I already have Geico. I had my other policies, and what they did was they actually put those $100 that I did for the month, for the year before, because I just renewed it before I purchased the bike, maybe about a month or so, and they added those $100 and $20-$30 onto my new plan. If you're in the market, I'm buying a financed bike, you're looking at easily $120. When I was at the dealership, I was telling them how much my insurance, Harley-Davidson had quoted me. They quoted me $150 from Harley-Davidson. Yikes. The dealership, the employees there, they told me, don't go with Harley-Davidson. They're the most expensive one. So saved myself $30 by going with Geico. And And if you're wondering, my deductible, it's the highest. It's a $1,000 deductible for $120 a month. I believe to have a $500 deductible, you're looking at $130, $140 a month. If you're looking into buying a bike, then that's pretty much the numbers that you're looking at. Why is this light not turning green? Man, all right. Yeah, if you're looking at buying a bike and you're wondering how much you're going to be paying on insurance, that's pretty much it. Rough ball for I'm 34, 30. I'm in my mid 30s. So if you're in your 30s and you have a good record, you're looking at 120 to 140 120 to 150 a month, depending on your deductible, your coverage, and depending on your license, on your driving record. Definitely depending on your driving record. 140 to 120 to $140. So if you're, I believe, honestly, I think if it's, as long as you're over 25, you don't have a clean, and if you have a clean record, that's what you're looking at when you're buying a new bike. All right, so it's already 10 minutes, already too long of a video. This was supposed to be a boring video, so thank you for watching. Leave a like if you've been informed on what you were looking at when you're purchasing a new bike. Subscribe to the channel if you're wondering more stuff about motorcycles. I'm going to keep on adding content. I'm going to be uploading some more stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, ride safe. All right, later.